how to install your Linen Avenue cordless cellular shades. This video will walk you through how to install both inside and outside mount for any Linen Avenue blackout, light filtering, top-down, bottom-up, or day-night shade. If you need help measuring and ordering the right size for your shade, refer to our How to Measure and Order video. Installing your cellular shade is easy, but you'll need a few tools to complete installation. A pencil, measuring tape, level, screwdriver, power drill, 1/16 inch drill bit, and safety goggles, which are optional. Unpack your cellular shade and double check that it will fit your window properly. Make sure all parts are ready to go before installation. Your package will include a cordless headrail, mounting brackets, 2 brackets if your shade is less than 36 inches wide, 3 brackets if your shade is 37 to 47 inches wide, and 4 brackets if your shade is wider than 48 inches. 4 to 8 screws and wall anchors, depending on how many mounting brackets are included. 1 bottom rail handle if your shade is less than 48 inches wide, and 2 bottom rail handles if your shade is wider than 48 inches. If you ordered a top-down, bottom-up, or day-night cellular shade, your package will also include a middle rail handle, or 2 handles if your shade is wider than 48 inches. If you are missing any parts, please contact us at sales@linenavenue.com. First, we will mount the brackets. If installing inside mount, you'll place the brackets here, to the front roof of your window frame and 2 inches towards the center. For outside mount, mount the brackets above the window frame and 2 inches towards the center. Hold your bracket to the designated spot and use a pencil to mark the exact location of each screw. If your package came with more than 2 brackets, space the center brackets evenly across the headrail without interfering with the mechanism that's found in the headrail. Use a level to ensure all your markings are aligned and perfectly horizontal. Drill pilot holes with a 1/16 inch drill bit and then loosely screw brackets into place. Use the level again to make sure the brackets are even. Now use the screws to drill the brackets into place. If installing outside mount on drywall or plaster, use the provided wall anchors. Drill pilot holes and then hammer in the wall anchors. To keep the end caps in place during shipment, we have placed tape on the ends of your shade. Now is a good time to remove this tape. Now you can hang your shade. Keep in mind that the interior side of your shade will be your selected color, while the outside of the shade is white to meet certain HOA requirements. Bring the headrail up to the mounted bracket and rest the inside groove onto the front lip of the bracket. Push back until it catches onto the back of the bracket and clicks into place. Next, install the bottom rail handle by snapping it onto the center of the bottom rail. Make sure the handle doesn't catch any fabric when you snap it into place. If your shades are top-down, bottom-up, or day-night shades, snap the middle rail handle onto the center of the middle rail. To operate your cellular shade, grasp the handle and simply pull the shade down to the desired point. To raise, grasp the handle and lift up. To operate your top-down, bottom-up cellular shade, simply grasp the bottom rail handle and pull down if you want full coverage. For partial coverage, adjust the center rail to your desired point. For day-night cellular shades, you can have full blackout shades by grasping the bottom rail handle and pulling down. If you want light filtering, pull the center rail down. Lift the bottom rail up to completely raise the shade. If you have any further questions about this product, please contact us at sales@linnenavenue.com.